Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name's Mary, and here on YouTube I like to share many of the projects I have going on around here with you all. It's anything from, makeovers, painting, decorating, gardening, homemaking. If you enjoy that sort of thing, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be working on redoing an old wagon that I dug out of our shop storage. Bringing out this wagon is really taking me back in time. I mean, just the sound of it. So many hours were spent with this wagon. We actually have two of them right now. I think we ended up with Mark and Marlene's. They were going to throw theirs out because it had seen its better days, but I rescued it thinking I'd redo it eventually. When the boys were little, we would set them in this wagon and pull them around when we go places. And when they were older, they would of course play with it themselves. So looking at it up close, the original handle isn't here anymore. It's replaced with a wooden one, and as you can see, it has gone through quite a beating. And these racks actually fit onto the sides. These were called the Berlin Sport Wagons. No tip steering, not quite sure about that. I'm pretty sure this one tipped a time or two, but it is relatively safe with these large wheels. I know growing up we had a wagon similar to this one, and it just had the small wheels, not with the air tires. I'm going to start out by cleaning it, and then I'll decide what color I'll make it. I'm using my favorite soap. It's the Cloud Natural brand, and I do have a link down below in the description box if you're interested in checking it out. It is locally made. It's just a nice, mild and gentle all-purpose soap. Smells amazing, and I just like the idea that there's no nasty chemicals in here. At this point, I'm thinking of just keeping the base part like a natural wood color, and then maybe going with white for the racks. I do think a really bright, cheerful color would be pretty too, but maybe that's for the next one. I do have two of these, so if I decide to work on the other one eventually, maybe I'll do something different with that one. But I also think maybe adding a word or two on one of the side racks would be pretty. As I'm working here, there's some clouds looming. It almost looks like rain, but I'm just surrounded by all these beautiful birds singing, especially the wood thrush, one of my favorite summer sounds. And I notice they really like weather like this. It just really makes them sing. Hopefully you guys can hear them too. As I'm working on the wagon here, I'm thinking, I wonder if other kids played as much with wagons as we did. I feel ours was largely due to the fact that we were exposed to all this, horse-drawn stuff. Wagons and buggies and carriages and carts, and we would always pretend, someone had to be the horse. I always liked being the horse, and someone would even have little harnesses that we put on ourselves, and the driver would have the reins, and we would go to places just pretending, and then we'd also pretend it was a car where somebody had to be the engine in the back. Yeah, there was a back engine. That was the person that pushed the wagon, and the other person, of course, was guiding it and trying not to tip over, but it was so much fun. Again, just so many great memories. Most of you probably know that Twinkle is completely deaf. I've talked about this before on here. It's really sad, but situations like this, I don't want to startle him, so these are the measures I take. often happens it's almost too windy to spray paint, but I'm going to try it anyway. We just kind of get these gusts every now and then, so maybe I can spray it in between. For the wagon part, I want to add some decor transfers to it, and I think these would look really pretty, kind of that cottage look with the yellow and the blue and the green, some sparrows. And these are from Patterson Art Studio, in case you're wondering where I got them from. Make sure to check out her Etsy shop if you haven't. I have her link down below in the description box. I'm applying a coat of polyacrylic over this surface just to protect it. This is by Minwax brand. I love this stuff. I use it a lot on, furniture and other surfaces. I'm going to use my UV printer to print a design on 2 of these racks. This video was so much fun. I love bringing a new life to something that was, in storage and neglected for years. Pretty sure I'm going to use this wagon when I'm gardening, just to, you know, transport my flowers. A wheelbarrow works too, but something with having a complete, you know, flat surface and it looking pretty will help too. I do want to add a piece of wood or something to the handle part so that I can grip it better when I'm, you know, pulling it, but otherwise I think it's good to go. It still has that same, you know, squeaky, rattly sound, but I actually kind of like that. One new product to mention that's on the website, well, it's not really new. We've been selling these little pouches for a while, but this is a new design. It's so pretty, cute little floral design. And Chris, the girl that does the packaging for me, makes these. She does an amazing job. They're so high quality made and really adorable. She had given me one as a gift and I use it anytime we travel. It's such a convenient little pouch to store some of my cosmetics in. This isn't a new product, but I'm doing a small run of the fresh cut grass candles. It's basically Amy just using up her oil for this year. So this is going to be it. If you enjoy the smell of fresh cut grass, you're going to like these candles. And I love how these beautiful sheep images turned out. I feel like I'm learning more and more about my UV printer and just able to produce a really sharp image. So make sure to check that out on the website. And I think at this point we still have some soap left over, but it really sold rather fast. And I have some more coming, it's just not quite cured yet, so stay tuned for that. So as always, I hope your day is going great. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.